Hello everyone, in this video I will show you some calculation methods with the pivot table. In my previous video I showed you how to calculate average with the help of the pivot table, which is already in this format. So I pulled the category into the rows. But for example, I want to calculate the cost. So I have the turnover. This needs to be the sum of the turnover, and then I have the margin in absolute values. So I want to calculate here the cost. How can I do that with the help of the pivot table? Well, in the pivot table, on the Analyst tab, you have the option of fields, items, and sets. You go to calculated field, and you say it will be the cost. And how do you do that? It's simply turnover minus the margin. So it is cost new. Okay, sum of cost new. Is it real? 2.5 minus 466, 2.67. Yes, it is perfectly calculated. So this calculated field is a way faster and more flexible way of calculating, because even if you have change in the data set, or you just change the calculation here, and you go to your pivot table, and for example the pivot table is fed from here, and I'm going to make an obvious change. For example, instead of apple, I will say green apple. Then I make a drop down. I filter out. So it's only green apple now. Is it changed? Oh, not yet. What do I need to do? I go to Analyze, and I go to refresh. And then apple is not there anymore, but green apple here is there. So the same applies to change formula, change any data. You just refresh your pivot table, and everything is recalculated. Thank you very much for your attention. See you soon. Bye.